For mixing up hydrogen peroxide, I use the website Happy Hydro Farm, and there it is as a little icon on my home screen. And that takes you to the hydrogen peroxide calculator, which will do the calculations for you so you don't have to. So I buy my hydrogen peroxide at a 50% concentration, so I put 50% here at the top. My desired dilution is 3%, so I leave that box in the middle. And now this box is total diluted volume, so pretty much what container you'll be using, whether it be a 1 liter spray bottle, which as you can see at the bottom left here, requires 60 mils of hydrogen peroxide. If I change that to 2 liters, I will need 120 mils of hydrogen peroxide, 3 liters 180, and so on. And the rest of the container will be filled up with water. Now if you're finding this hard to follow, don't worry. I have an example coming up in the video now where I'll show you me mixing up my hydrogen peroxide for a carpet cleaning job. Here's my hydrogen peroxide at 50%, my 1 liter spray bottle, and I always use a funnel so I don't spill any. That's 60 mils now of hydrogen peroxide. I pour that into my spray bottle, and now I fill up 940 mils of tap water, which will make a liter mix, and this is 3% hydrogen peroxide. Thanks guys, please subscribe to Carpet Hero for more tips and tricks.